My personal opinion is that if salespeople act like this, you're probably losing out on sales. Like your sales team could be performing better if they weren't acting like this. I remember when I first started learning sales, and it was all about how do you create extreme confidence, enthusiasm, sharpness, boldness. The problem is people have been oversold for so long now, for decades. They get advertised to, right? And with social media, that triggers people, and people hate realizing that they're talking to a sales guy. And so I've just found moving more and more away from that personality type, and then training salespeople to be more skeptical, a bit more reserved, almost confused. And so it's all about doing the opposite now, so that people can feel like they can persuade themselves into a sale and not basically be bullied into the sale with this charismatic persona.